Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials, volume levels on both TV and Firestick, and that the HDMI or optical cable is firmly seated. Once done, navigate to Settings, Display and Sounds Audio on your Fire TV. You should see Current Output and Dolby options. Note them. If you use an AVR or soundbar, make sure it's powered and set to the correct input. While you're here, toggle between stereo and Dolby Digital to force the Firestick to renegotiate audio. Now, focus on the middle steps that fix most issues. Select audio output and try stereo first. This removes format negotiation problems. If your TV or receiver doesn't support Dolby Digital Plus, disable it. This prevents dropouts. Next, change the HDMI setting between 720p and 1080p or toggle CEC on /off to reset device communication. Make sure to restart the Firestick after each change so the new audio handshake applies. These adjustments target format mismatches and HDMI handshaking faults. Finish by confirming sound across apps and connections. Reboot the Firestick, then open multiple apps, Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, to see if the problem is app-specific. If audio still fails, try a different HDMI port or cable, or connect the Firestick to another TV or soundbar to isolate the fault. As a last step, perform a factory restart, but note your login details first. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip: swap the HDMI cable, faulty cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.